Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to check transaction confirmation in Green Bitcoin Wallet. Checking transaction confirmation in Green Bitcoin Wallet is important to verify whether your Bitcoin transaction has been successfully processed by a network. Bitcoin transactions are confirmed by miners, and the number of confirmation indicate how secure the transaction is. First, launch the Green Bitcoin Wallet application on the device and select the wallet from here. After that, unlock the application using your PIN or biometrics. After that, on the home screen, you can see transaction history, which will show you a list of all transactions associated with the wallet, including sent and received transaction. Select the transaction. Find the transaction you wish to check in transaction history list. Tap on transaction to view more details. Once you tap the transaction, your app will display detailed information about it, including the number of confirmation. You may see level as unconfirmed, 1 confirmation or 6 confirmation. Confirmation time vary depending on network congestion and the fee you paid for transaction. Higher fees result in faster confirmation. 1 confirmation is generally enough for a smaller transaction, but for larger transfer or more critical payment, waiting for at least 6 confirmation is recommended for full security. Checking the transaction confirmation in Green Bitcoin Wallet is easy and provide assurance that your Bitcoin transaction is being processed by a network. By following these steps, you can track a transaction process and ensure that it is securely confirmed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.